Timer cleared. Gear up. Time remaining 2 minutes.
Dirty roll, baby!
Seconds.
I guess you
Just fly off to the side of it.
yeah, off to the front.
And these glasses are pretty dark, so. This thing is so much fun. But that's why I love. See, and then I can kill it like that and then just let it drop.
See right there above
Yeah.
the window. I didn't see it.
You didn't see it? If you're on it, it's different. But
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 1. Time expired.
dirty roll, baby!
So that's full up and run.
Pull up and right rudder. And right aileron.
Full up, right.
Left,
right.
left, left. That was left. Left and left. But you gotta keep your speed down. So it's doing it. That's actually a good transition into a high alpha. See that?
Yeah, because you lose all your.
All the airspeed, yeah. Look at that.
That's pretty. That's still.
Yeah.
You're standing still.
There's a lot of wind up there. That's full up. Yeah, the sun's a little bright, but staying off to the side, not looking at it. The afterburner looks pretty good. Yeah, that's actually a good thing. Okay, that's what you do to get into a high alpha state. You do that snap, and then it holds you right there. You're perfect. It's getting a little bumpy, but If I had a little more of a headwind, I could keep it still.
Dude, don't forget your timer, bro.
Oh, I know. I've already gone. How far over?
Timer over 1 minute.
Yeah, I'm fine. I got another 2 minutes.
Seconds.
When it's 3 minutes over, I'm done. Dude, that was pretty freaking sweet too. When I do high alpha stuff like this, I get a lot of flight time because I'm low throttle.
Perfect. You know what I
What? Yeah. Yep. Yep. Because I'm not letting it speed up. Alright, I think I'm gonna come in. Sounds a little tired. This thing is so much fun. My God, I love this plane. But this is what I like. Now that I know how to do the high alpha stuff, the landings. I can do the landings how I want. Whew! Yeah, buddy. No, I was rudder. I had to hit rudder big time. It started going this way and I'm like, nope, that way. Alright, so that's it for this one. Oh, this thing's fun.